Hi guys! Today I'm going to make a gasket from special sealing paper. I need it for my Vespa Pig's carburetor. Of course you can buy this gasket, but it's only available in an expensive gasket kit and I only need one, and it's usually Sunday when you need one. To make the gasket I bought a sheet of airwheel and sealing paper. See the video description for details. This is oil and gasoline resistant, can withstand temperatures of up to plus 120 degrees Celsius and 10 bar pressure, and has very good sealing properties. I'm using the old float chamber gasket as a template. Let's see how well it works. This is my first attempt. For straight cuts, I'm using a carpet knife with a brand new, very sharp blade tip. Oh no! I accidentally cut far into the sealing zone, so I have to start all over again. The paper is bonded with rubber. This is good for the sealing properties, but it's a bit tougher to cut. I will cut in several small steps and wiggle the plate back and forth at the end of the cut. This should allow for more controlled cutting. The rectangle worked much better. I will cut out the curve with nail scissors. The inner edges are automatically offset slightly inward when marking. I will have to adjust that later. For the outer edges, I'll use craft scissors. The outer edges are automatically offset outward when marking, but that's not a problem in this case. You can see that I still need to fine-tune the curve of the cutout. That already looks much better. The only goal is to make the seal fit. There's no beauty press to be won here. I've also adjusted the sides of the cutout a bit. Will the seal fit now? The test installation will tell us. Yes, great! The seal fits perfectly now. I'm extremely satisfied with my first self-made gasket. But what can you do if you don't have an old gasket as a template? I've read that an oil print of the sealing surface can help. I will try that out. I've already cut out a suitable piece of gasket paper. I use universal lubricating oil to coat the sealing surface. Ah, the outlines are clearly visible. But if you look at the print in detail, you can see differences from the original gasket. The upper hole must be much smaller. The cutout in the middle is, of course, completely missing because it's required for the upper parts structures. So this method is more suitable for simple and coarse cover gaskets. But I think the principle should be clear by now. But can delicate gaskets also be made with the sealing paper? I don't have a gasket ring for the fuel hose banjo anymore. The outer diameter is 16 mm and the inner diameter is 12 mm. I can simply use the leftover piece from the previous cutting. The marked circles fit well. You can see how robust the material is. Truly amazing. Let's see how well the sealing ring cuts out with nail scissors. hole punches for punching out are even better, but I don't have those yet. Let's see if it fits yet. No, there's still a lot missing. It still doesn't fit. Now it finally fits. The hole punches have been ordered. Check out the video description. Now all that's missing is the outer cut. So the sealing ring is finished. It's not visually perfect, but it doesn't need to do more than fit and seal. Let's see how the sealing ring looks installed. Installed, it looks perfect. But does the sealing ring really seal 100%? A leak test with water will tell. If anything were to drip out of the seal now, it would immediately show up as a water stain on the paper. No water stain visible. This side is completely dry. This side too. So the production of the sealing ring was a proven success. I'm happy. I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, I would appreciate a small donation. Watch the credits for details. The algorithm and I would love it if you give me a thumbs up, write a motivating comment, and take a chance to become one of my highly valued subscribers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.